Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot today. I'd like to show it to you. Now this is a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's the Sport model. Do a walk around. We'll go on the inside. You can see the deep tinted windows on this. I'll tell you, this another nice vehicle that we have here at the lot. We don't have any junk here. So you're going to see some nice vehicles here. Now, one thing I do want to point out before I pop the hatch, it does have a rear view camera. It's right there. There is the Sport emblem. Now, to open your back hatch, there's a release right there. So there is the space in the back, the lift. A lot of space back here. Your seats do fold down. So let's go ahead and continue our walk around. Okay, let's go ahead. We'll go on the driver's side. Show you what the body looks like. It's very clean indeed. So let's take a look in the back. Okay guys, here is the interior. It's cloth, it is gray. Show you a little bit. You do have a two-tone collar on your door panels. A black and then the gray that matches the interior. So let's go ahead and look up front. Okay, here's the front. Show you the door panel. Forgot to take the key out. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. This car does have a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, so it should be fairly good on your fuel economy. Let's pull in here to the gauges, show you that. The mileage on this as of now is 56,781 miles. And we'll back away here. We'll show you the steering wheel controls, and you'll see you got volume controls right here on the left, your Bluetooth capability, and your cruise control on this side, and then your controls right here for different items on your instrument cluster. So let's move over here to the command center, your LCD display. Now this, as I showed you in the back, it does have a backup camera. We'll scroll down here and you can see the climate control section. And then pretty cool on this car, if you look down here, you do have USB port, auxiliary import, and a couple 12 volts for all your electronics. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this thing in reverse. There's your backup camera. So really nice safety feature on that. You've got a couple cup holders here, and right here you lift it up, you've got the storage area. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Okay, there's a good view of your back seat. The center does pull down. Now one other thing I forgot to mention is right here you basically just push that and you do have an additional storage compartment right there. How cool is that? So that's it, guys. So that actually concludes our tour of our 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here, 740-992-4443. We do have multiple financing options available. You can actually go right on our website, and we have a secure link that you can actually do a 5-minute application right online. We'll try our best to get you pre-approved. A lot of these loans are done no money down. We're comparable with our interest rates with most lenders out there. So drive this thing home today. So with that, hope you have a great day.